to live. I know that you'll get over it. This is ambition. This is the type of car that you keep a bad bitch in. I don't got good vision, but I don't see competition.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This video is about this beautiful wig that I saw online. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share if you're feeling it. I will leave the link to this wig down below in the description box. This is the packaging that the wig came in. I'm going to open it with you guys. This is my first time opening this thing. Maybe I should have grabbed some scissors. Guys, came in this here. OMG. Let's open it. Oh. Ooh. Okay. But this is so cute. It comes with a little card. So has like the rating and stuff in the back if you want to do a review. It's cute. Then it comes with this beautiful beige net that you can put, you know, underneath your wig. And then this is the wig. Comes with a net on it. And this wig is pretty long, guys. I forgot what length I got. I like the fact that it has a beige wig cap underneath the wig. And it's not black, so it will look really like scalp if anyone were to run their fingers through your hair. This wig feels so good, guys. It feels like human hair. I'm not gonna front. It really feels like human hair. Look at these curls. This is so beautiful. And as I'm pulling this, I'm getting minimum shedding. It's just a few strands there, like maybe 3 strands, literally 3 strands there. Okay. It is shedding a little bit more strands, but the wig is so beautiful. Do you see this? Come on, come on. Oh my god. Oh, hold up. I'll be right back, guys. So guys, what I did do was go, titties is out. I was going to cut the entire lace off, but I was like, you know what, let me show them exactly how I cut my laces. And what I like to do is make these cuts and then I just go around it. This frontal is really beautiful, I must say. Okay, so look at that side. And you could cut more closer to the hairline. This is a rose gold pink. I would need to glue this down because I don't like when my wigs are like moving. It really looks like it's coming out of my scalp. Look at this wig. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. Like, I am so in love. Like, you guys so don't understand. No, I'm just kidding. But look at the volume in this wig. Oh my god. I'm really feeling this, guys. So do you guys see the colors in there? I'm gonna change one because I feel like this gold is like not giving you how this really look. Okay, I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I came back and I just had to go change my shirt because the gold was reflecting on my camera and I didn't like the way I was looking. This wig was bought on Amazon, like I said before, and it was only about $40. So I would recommend anyone that's like into the whole pastel colors and all that. You want to look cute, you want to look different a little bit, you know, you can go get this wig. It feels like human hair. These curls are to die for. I must say I am 5'6", and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of how long it gets, a little bit past my waistline. Like I said before, I am 5'6", and this wig is pretty long. I believe I got it in a 24. They did give me options like 18, 20, and I think 24. And why not? You know, you're gonna be extra, you better be extra all the way, honey. So I went and got the 24 inches, and yo, I'm feeling this, guys. Like, yo, it moves like human hair. It really moves like human hair. And yeah, so the curls is like a loose waves type of curls. You know, this looks really like bundles. Like, it really look good. Like, I've seen a couple reviews before I bought this wig, so I purchased it myself. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. I don't know how people get sponsored videos, but it goes with my skin tone. You know, I'm dark skinned, so it goes with my skin tone, and it goes with a lot of skin tones. I've watched so many girls before I actually bought this, and I was just like, oh no, I'm buying it. It looked good on light skin females, dark skin, brown skin, yellow, blue, orange. It just looks good. So I would advise everyone to go buy this wig. It's worth it. So I didn't glue it down yet. As you can see, I'm showing you guys a little bit. Like, right here is lifting. All I did was cut the lace and adjusted the straps underneath the wig. You know, I must say, whoever made this wig took their time with making this wig, and they had a vision in their head, and they went through with that vision, because this wig is so beautiful. It's like rose gold and pink. So nice. But the inside, like, they have the hooks where you can like clip the wig. It has like little comb clips underneath here where I clipped it onto my braid, and it's not like one of those comb clips that's like snatching your edges out. It's smooth, like it went straight into my hair. Whoever made this wig made me feel like I bought something very expensive, and it was really inexpensive. I hope you know I went into details. If you have any questions, please don't be afraid to ask, because I do respond, and I will answer any questions. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Maybe you can help someone, you know, that's looking to buy a nice pink wig that's affordable. And I hope you guys enjoyed my video, my review, and you guys don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you're already subscribed, welcome, and thank you for being on my channel. Thank you.
I know it hurts sometimes, but you'll get over it. You'll find another life to live, left to give. You'll find another life to live. See, eyes out on my rap, you strapped up your rig. Diamonds on your, wanna change your